Hello, I have BTS latest Japanese single Fake Love Airplane part 2 here to unbox for you. As you can see, I have version A, B, C and the regular version. Plus I also, since I bought them all in a bundle, got the poster as well, so I will show that at the end of the video. Alright, so let's get started. Let's start with the A version. Alright, I'm gonna show I have a sticker right here first. Then I'm gonna take off the plastic. Ooh. Go. Alright. LP strip. Ooh. Then we have the front. Ooh. The back. Got the CD and the DVD right there. Alright, so CD first. And the DVD. Alright, so B version. Sticker right there. Yeah, there we go. The strip. Front. The back. Again, we have a CD and a DVD with this one. CD. And DVD. And once again the lyrics. Alright. C version. Sticker. OP strip. Front, back. As you can see, this is a bit thicker, so I'm guessing it comes with a photo book and no DVD. Nice and thick photo book. Awesome, awesome. CD. Front, back, do. Okay. These are some nice pictures. Ooh, we get another photo shoot. Nice. Normal edition? What? No picture on the front with this one. CD. Alright, so let's check the poster. And here we are, the full poster in all its glory. Looks really nice. Alright, so that was everything. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.